What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, stocks collapsed on today. Once it reached key resistance level, we are going to talk all about it, as well as share with you guys what you need to do on tomorrow to make sure you guys make some money in the market. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I'm kicking it off, man. You guys have been kicking butt and taking names all 2023 so far. This is just one of many, and I haven't been showing them, but I got them sitting in the clip, guys. Check this out. Another home run. Back at it, Chris. One day at a time, one trade at a time. Check this out. This was a play on Apple. Okay, he had this 5 contracts. I love to see this, guys. Took his time, was surgical with this play. 93%. We call that a home run around here, guys. Almost a double up on his play. I love to see it, guys. Listen, this is what's possible when you guys get the right information, the right teaching. And so in order to do that, and if you want me to help you guys do that consistently, please join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. Between these videos and the information discussed in Discord on every day, over time, guys, and depending on your learning curve, you can begin to put together what you need to do to begin to make money on a consistent basis in any market condition. Okay, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and unpack what went down today and what you need to do to make money tomorrow. Okay, guys, we kicking it off with the SPY, ticker symbol SPY. This represents the S&P 500. Check this out, guys. Currently sitting at 390.86 at market closed, down 1.5% today, or the equivalent of $6.23, down another 68 cents in after hours. What went down today, guys? Check it out. Between pre-market and market open, we ran a test of 400. Remember, guys, in the Discord, we talked about resistance levels being 398, 399, and 400. The 400 was the fatal blow. And look at this, guys. It tumbled down all day, hitting 392 before making what we call a double top. This is always a pattern that I want you guys to spot. When you see this double top 155 and the other top came in at 235, boom, that was the death blow that took us down to this next support level around that 390 range. Okay, listen, guys, rejections happen typically when you reach a strong level of key resistance. Okay, and so in today's market, we saw the SPY reach that 400 level. Okay, but the bears was waiting, and like I said, they delivered the knockout blow to knock us down. Now listen, what to expect. Write this word down, put this in your stock lingo's dictionary. Okay, what we are looking to see is what's called follow through. Write this down. Okay, follow through would be, okay, from 400 we got knocked down to 390, $10. Okay, follow through would be if this is a real dump. If this is a real dump, then this will go down and break 390. I'm talking about 388, 386, that kind of deal. Okay, if we don't have follow through, then you should see a bounce from this level. Okay, now listen, do not front run anything we teach around here. React to what you see. Okay, do not front run anything around here. React to what you see, because check this out, guys. If we bounce, okay, then this just was a back test so we can go higher and push through 400 next time we get there. If this was a fake pump to the upside, then guys, we're headed lower. All right, and so you need to know that if you are in the game and if you are trying to play this game at a high level. All right, with that being said, check this out. On the week, this move puts us down almost 1.5% on the week. Okay, so with that being said, guys, we are just making back up or giving back up some of the gains. But the next stop will be to see if we can get some support right here at this 387, 388 range for tomorrow. Okay, and then maybe that will be support, and then boom, we'll get the bounce off that level. React to what you see. Okay, next up, guys, we have Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. This one is sitting at 126.70. Same thing. Watch this, guys. Today it was sitting all the way up here at 136. All right, and the next level for Tesla, guys, we called this play out at 101. We talked about it. It would have these massive moves, which it did. Okay, but everything has to test and retest and have a back test, okay? And so this got to 136, boom, it fell down to 133, bounced up to 134. That was all she wrote, guys. This proceeded to go down the remainder of the day. 132, 130, broke through 130, 128. And my level of support was this. If you guys are in the Discord, I talked about this will come down to 125 today. So what you guys think I'm expecting? Out the gate, we either going to gap down to 125 or they're going to run it up real quick to 128 and then smack it right back down to 125. You guys can mark my words and take this stuff to the bank, guys. I do this. This is what I do. I help you guys make money. I help everybody do their thing in the market, and that's all I'm here to help you do. If you're tuned in, like and subscribe to this channel, okay? With that being said, though, look for Tesla again to react to what it does at that level, okay? Meaning when we come back to 125, see, do we get a bounce before you do anything? If we break through, guys, we're coming back to 123. Remember all the videos I made for the battle of 123? 123 was what we needed to break in order to hit my target of 128, okay? If we lose 125, we're coming to 123, and we're just going to battle at that level again. Obviously, the market likes that level. Pay attention to these things, okay? These are just little nuggets to add to your arsenal if you are playing this game. Remember, this is a game of chess, not checkers, okay? And then, guys, check this out. We got Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, sitting at 134.44. This one came down significantly, but look at what this did. Around 10 o'clock today, it went all the way up to 138. If you guys are in the Discord, we call this out. Apple will go test 137, 138. And on the downside or the support side, this will come back down to 135. Boom, it did this to a T. I told you guys to watch out for the rug pull. They pulled the rug from us under us right at 10:30, and this proceeded to go down the remainder of the day, okay? Coming back down to this 135 level. It tried to gather some strength to pop back up to 136. It got faded again at that level after making a double top and then closing around 135 and then falling even further in after hours to 134. But check this out, guys. We may have a quick retest of 133, okay, just to finish out the full play. And this is why I teach you guys about gaps and closing the gaps, or we call them gap fills, okay? All of these plays did was, the ones that ran up, all they did was came back to close the gap that they ran up from. You need to know that. It's not always a bad thing. You just need to know that the market's going to do that. This is why I always tell you and teach you guys, nothing goes up in a straight line. Get in and get out. See profit, take profit. Don't overstay your welcome, but more importantly, don't get greedy, guys. This is why we manage our risks on a daily, okay? But with that being said, guys, listen, we have some critical support levels we are back at now, okay? Our job as investors, our job as traders is to come into the game tomorrow and assess what we see. We either need to see if we continue to flush down, or what levels would they begin again to gain their footing and bounce off of levels of support to try to make their move back to the upside. Okay, remind you though, this is a market that is in a downtrend and that we ultimately are going to go lower, okay? This is why we talk about being smart, being strategic, fading rallies. Fading rallies means when a stock goes up, you're going to ride it back down because you know it's not going to keep going up, okay? But you have to be strategic about when do you fade a rally? How high will the stock go up? Like for example, 400 was a level to short at or to buy a put at, but you need to know, okay, where are these stocks trying to go? Apple, same thing, 138 was a level, okay? If we get to 140, because all this stuff will repeat the cycle, okay? When it get back to 140, and if we're not in a bull market by the time they do so, you just buy a put at that level. You short the stock at that level to make money when it goes down, okay? These are just little nuggets to the game to make sure you guys stay ahead of the curve. With that being said, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Please make sure you like and subscribe. If you haven't already, please join the Discord down at the links below. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.